3 things you should never do. High value men, alpha men never, ever do. Welcome back. My name's Dre. I help men master the journey, and in this video, we're gonna go over 3 crucial things that men should never do. High value men, important people still make these mistakes. Rich people still make these mistakes, man. It doesn't matter where you are on your journey. You should never, ever do this. Now, I sincerely hope that you stick with me. Don't be flipping through. Stick with me. Learn what I'm going to teach you. Take the value and use it in everyday life. I challenge you to stay to the end of this video without flipping around. And I challenge you to take a step back and look at yourself and see how much you did or how much you didn't. That tells you how much your childlike brain is in control of your life. If you would like a hand, a stepping stone to learn how to meditate, separate yourself from your reactive emotional mind, go into the description. Take the workshop that I've created specifically for you to help you on your journey. All right, man, with that being said, let's jump right into this. Number 1, high value alpha men. Men that are on their purpose, on their journey, who are high vibe, okay? They are conscious. They are not living an unconscious existence. They care, number 1, about other people's well-being. Everybody around them, no matter who they are, it doesn't matter. They are consciously aware of the well-being of other people around them. Now, don't get me wrong, man. This doesn't mean, we bend over backwards. We're taking our coat off and putting it on the puddle for somebody to step over. No, man. Nothing like that. We are concerned that everything's cool. We're cool. We're good here. All right. Let's continue. Just like that, man. That sort of attitude towards all people. So as an example, let me explain to you. One time I was at a pizza place in Seattle, Washington. I was eating pizza. There was a bunch of people in the cafe. And a couple seats down, there was a homeless man. And he was eating spaghetti. And he started coughing. He couldn't stop coughing. Like just uncontrollably. Now, at this other table, to my right, there was a group of young girls. I was in the college district, the university district. They just started laughing and be like appalled, okay? And there's some guys there too, and they were following in that little women's frame of, gross homeless guy, who cares? No, the whole place knew he was coughing. Only one fucking person, me, looked at him and said, "Are you okay?" Do you see what I mean? So many human beings and so many people in our world, it doesn't matter where you go, they don't care about the well-being of other people. It doesn't matter that he was homeless. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter what the fuck his deal was on his journey. He was a human being. And it's up to us as high value alpha men to care about other people's well-being. And yeah, he was fine. He said, red pepper get you every time. Because he put too much red pepper on his spaghetti and it made him cough. He wasn't choking. He was fine. And you know what? That put me at ease. Because I don't want to have to do a Heimlich maneuver on this guy right here because he's choking on his spaghetti, which I absolutely would have done. That's what I mean by you have a concern. You care. You fucking give a shit about other people's well-being. Number 2, man, look, stick with me. Stay with me. Pay attention. Number 2 thing that high value alpha men never do is they never ever talk down on people. To people, on people, however you want to look at it. They don't do that, man. They don't do that. You're in a fucking suit. You got a $30,000 Rolex on. You go into a grocery store and you talk down to the clerk or the checker because you see them as lower than you, that is not high value. That is not a positive outlook on the world. To me, if I see somebody do that, that is an internal struggle that they're dealing with, that they must deplete somebody else's value to then gain it themselves. There's men that do this all the time, especially I see this in young men. It's like they haven't learned to give themselves the benefit of having the value, of giving themselves permission to be enough. They must take it. Take. That is the wrong path. That's not what I want for you to do. We do not talk down on other people. Do not be that guy. Do not be an embarrassment. Don't do that. Now, my friend, listen up. Number 3 is high value alpha men do not suppress their emotions at all. Never. They do not do this. They do not push down failures, traumas. This is not the true path. The true path of the warrior, the emperor, the conqueror. No. We face them head on and we allow them to either teach us or be let go. That's it. We do not suppress. We do not push these things down. We know that in the long run, there is nothing that comes good out of suppressing our emotions. The trick to all of that with the emotions and masculine frame and masculine energy is to tackle your emotions head on. I always preach this, man. Meditate. By meditating, you separate your physical self from the metaphysical, vibrational self. Therefore, you have clarity. It is absolutely crucial that you understand these 3 things that you should pay attention to in your life. Make the change, and they will, my friend, go miles in your self-development, your journey to become a true, exceptional human being. All right, you just learned 3 things that high-value, alpha, exceptional men never do. They never talk down to people. They care about the well-being of other humans. And above all, you do not suppress or run away from your emotions and your failures. Thank you for watching, man. Click the link in the description. Learn how to meditate like a fucking man. I'll see you in the next one.